So all of these, again, they'll match up either to X or to Y. So everyone knows which one you're going to get rid of here? Either one. Yep, either the Y's or the X's. So which one do you want to get rid of?
Y's.
The Y's. They're opposite signs, which means if we add them, they'll cancel. So that means you add the other ones. Now, if we got rid of the X's, we'd subtract everything. So X plus X is 2X equals 18. So you just divide by 2 and you get X equals 9. Then you got to figure out what Y is. So you can put it in either one. I'll put it in the top one. And then you just rewrite it. It would be 9 plus 3y equals 6, and then you solve it. Subtract 9. Divide by 3. And you get negative. Bless you. So for number 5, the x's you could cancel by subtracting. So that means you do the same to the others. So here the x's would cancel. X minus x is 0. Negative 3 take away 10 is negative 13. And 0 take away 13 is negative 13. So when we divide by negative 13, we get 1. So I've got to plug 1 in either here or here. I'll just put it in the top one. So when you rewrite it, it would be x take away 3 times 1 is 3 equals 0. So we just have to add 3 and you get x equals 3. Okay, just so you know, none of these problems today will you get any fractions or decimals. Tomorrow you will, but none today. So for this one, it's the y's that would cancel. Since they're opposite signs, you would add. When they're the same sign, you subtract. If they're both negative, you subtract. If they're both positive, you subtract. When they're different, you add. Because y plus a negative y is 0. So add the others and you'd get 3x equals 6. So then x equals 2. So then you could put the 2 in either here or here. I'll just put it in the top one. It doesn't matter. 2 times 2 is 4, plus y equals 4. So when you subtract 4, y is 0. 9 is another one of these where you could get rid of either the A's by subtracting or the B's by adding. Myself, I like to add better, so I would do the add, but it doesn't matter which one you do. So that means you add all of them. A plus A is 2A. These cancel. Negative B plus a B is 0. 8 plus 20 is 28. So when you divide by 2, A is 14. And then this one's an easy one to figure out. Since A is 14, I'll just put it right there for A. 14 plus what is 20? 6. Okay, I'll do one more with you.
Since this can just be like 0 each one.
Y will be, I know. So here, I would get rid of the x's by adding because a negative 2 plus a 2 is 0. So that's what you do to the others. That makes 7y. This makes 0. So y has to be 0. 7 times 0 is 0. If you divide by 7, you get 0. So then, if I plug that in, say I put it in here, 6 times 0 is 0 plus 2x, that has to also equal 0, so what's x?
X is 0.
X is also 0, yep.
I called it.
You called it.
Good job, Parker.
Okay, so you just have 5 left.